So here we go. We're going to start a blooming lamp, and we're making this lamp for spring. And really it's going to be for spring and Easter. So I have my lamp inside this little wooden box. I have the little green bunny, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and this is just like a mossy looking bunny. And then we have the carrots that I made last year. Remember those? And I made them out of the candy mold, and then I just painted them and I put them on some skewers, wooden skewers that you get at the grocery store. And then here's the carrots that I made last year out of the jute. And inside of it I molded a piece of aluminum foil. And then I just wrapped the jute around it, and I do have a video on that if you want to go and see it. And then up here is the onion grass from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm using this. This looks like it's supposed to be, I think, either cilantro or parsley. I'm not sure, but that was from Walmart. So that is what I'm going to put in this little box. I'm also going to use a little bit of this Easter grass, and it's the paper one. It's not like the typical kind of like a cellophane look. And this was from Walmart as well. And I just want this to cover up a little bit of this plastic bag that I have, and I have that in there so I can raise up the bunny. So that's why I'm using this, because you're not going to see the rest of it. Okay. Once I get all this other stuff. And once you have what you're going to use for these lamps, your blooming lamps, it goes together really quick. And again, this idea came from my dear friend Liz from Traditions by the Seasons. So we're just going to put him right here. Okay. Then we're going to take one of these picks. I'm going to put it right in there, like that. Then I'm going to take the other one and bring it over here. Okay, there's that. That's cute already. Then I'm going to take these big carrots, and I'm just going to put one right there. Take another one and I want it showing. And then the other one I'm going to put behind. Well, kind of on the side of this bunny. I think I'm going to put this one back there, because yeah, that's why I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to put this one here. Okay. Now it's just a matter of putting some random carrots And when you see how I have my kitchen decorated for spring and Easter, it's going to make more sense what my theme is. And again, there's really no rhyme or reason. I just put things where I like them. And that's my blooming lamp, guys. I'll bring you back in a minute and we'll turn it around and turn on the lamp itself. Okay, so here's the lamp turned on, but let's just go down here. And there is a little bit of a closer look, and I have it next to this little sisal bunny that I've had forever, probably 25 years. I've had this bunny and its little baby that you'll see in my Easter tour. So there it is, guys. There is my Easter / spring blooming lamp. And there it is turned on. Let me turn off this light overhead. And there you go. I love it. I think it is adorable. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye, guys.